Are you ready to elevate your investment game and build a portfolio that weathers market storms and grows steadily over time? Whether you're just beginning your journey into investing or you're an experienced professional seeking fresh perspective, having the right knowledge is crucial. In this exploration, we dive into 5 essential books on portfolio management, each offering unique insights, timeless strategies, and practical tools to help you navigate the complex world of investing. These books have shaped the thinking of millions of investors and can serve as your guide to smarter, more confident financial decisions. Let's begin with a classic that has stood the test of time, A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton G. Malkiel. First published in 1973, this book has been updated repeatedly to reflect the evolving landscape of the financial markets. Malkiel, an esteemed economist, introduces readers to the concept of the efficient market hypothesis, the idea that stock prices fully reflect all available information, making it nearly impossible to consistently outperform the market through stock picking or market timing. He argues that a random walk best describes the movement of asset prices, unpredictable and impossible to forecast with consistency. But what does this mean for your investment strategy? Malkiel's insights encourage investors to focus on long-term, diversified investing rather than chasing short-term gains or trying to outguess the market. He demystifies complex financial jargon, offering clear explanations of stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. The book also covers topics like investment bubbles, behavioral finance, and the importance of cost-effective index funds. Whether you're new to investing or a seasoned pro, A Random Walk Down Wall Street can help you develop a rational, disciplined approach to building wealth over time. Next, we turn to The 4 Pillars of Investing by William J. Bernstein, a book that blends financial theory with rich historical context. Bernstein, a neurologist turned investment advisor, lays out 4 fundamental pillars every investor should understand: the theory of investing, the history of investing, the psychology of investing, and the business of investing. By weaving together stories from financial history with lessons from economics and behavioral psychology, Bernstein shows readers that successful investing is not just about picking the right assets. It's about understanding your own behavior and the forces that drive markets. One of Bernstein's key messages is that markets can be unpredictable, but they are not irrational. He explains how bubbles, crashes, and irrational exuberance are recurring features of financial history. By studying past market events, investors can learn to recognize common pitfalls and avoid costly mistakes. Bernstein also emphasizes the importance of asset allocation, spreading your investments across different asset classes to manage risk and improve returns. The 4 Pillars of Investing is especially valuable for those who want a holistic understanding of how markets work and what it takes to achieve lasting investment success. For those seeking practical, hands-on advice for building a balanced portfolio, The Intelligent Asset Allocator by William J. Bernstein is an indispensable guide. In this book, Bernstein moves from theory to application, providing step-by-step instructions on how to construct a disciplined, diversified portfolio tailored to your goals and risk tolerance. He demystifies concepts like risk, return, correlation, and diversification, making them accessible to investors at all levels. Bernstein's approach is rooted in the idea that asset allocation, how you divide your investments between stocks, bonds, and other asset classes, is the most important factor in determining your long-term investment outcomes. He provides sample portfolios, explains how to rebalance your holdings, and discusses the behavioral challenges that can derail even the best-laid plans. The book is filled with practical tools and checklists, helping readers develop a systematic approach to investing that minimizes emotional decision-making. If you're looking for clear, actionable guidance on portfolio construction, The Intelligent Asset Allocator is a must-read. To delve deeper into the academic foundations of portfolio management, Modern Portfolio Theory and Investment Analysis by Edwin J. Elton and Martin J. Gruber is the definitive resource. This comprehensive textbook is widely used in university finance courses and by professionals around the world. It presents the principles of modern portfolio theory, MPT, a groundbreaking framework developed by Harry Markowitz and others, which transformed the way investors think about risk, return, and diversification. Elton and Gruber explore concepts such as the efficient frontier, where investors can achieve the highest possible return for a given level of risk by carefully selecting the right mix of assets. The book also examines the role of correlation and covariance in portfolio construction, as well as advanced topics like asset pricing models and performance measurement. While modern portfolio theory and investment analysis is academically rigorous, it offers profound insights for anyone serious about mastering the art and science of investing. By understanding the mathematical relationships that underpin portfolio management, you can make more informed, objective decisions and avoid common pitfalls driven by emotion and speculation. Finally, we turn to Principles for Navigating Big Debt Crises by Ray Dalio, one of the world's most influential hedge fund managers. Dalio's book is a departure from the traditional investment manual. It's a playbook for managing investments in times of economic turmoil. Drawing on decades of experience and detailed case studies of major debt crises, from the Great Depression to the 2008 financial crisis, Dalio reveals the patterns that underlie economic cycles and offers practical strategies for navigating downturns. Dalio argues that while every crisis is unique, they tend to follow similar stages: the buildup of excessive debt, the triggering of a crisis event, and the subsequent deleveraging process. By studying these patterns, investors can better anticipate risks, protect their portfolios, and even find opportunities when markets are in distress. The book includes detailed frameworks for assessing economic conditions, managing risk, and making decisions under uncertainty. Principles for Navigating Big Debt Crises is an essential read for anyone who wants to build resilience into their investment strategy and thrive even in challenging economic environments. Together, these 5 books offer a comprehensive education in portfolio management, blending timeless wisdom, practical advice, and deep insights into financial markets. But how can you put these lessons into practice? Let's recap some of the key takeaways that can help you sharpen your investment strategy. 1. Embrace diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different asset classes and geographic regions, you can reduce risk and improve your chances of long-term success. 2. Focus on the long term. Short-term market movements are unpredictable and often driven by emotion. Stay disciplined, stick to your plan, and avoid the temptation to chase trends or time the market. 3. Understand your own behavior. Investing is as much about managing your psychology as it is about picking the right assets. Be aware of common biases and emotional traps, and use checklists or rules-based systems to stay on track. 4. Keep costs low. High fees and trading costs can eat into your returns over time. Favor low-cost index funds or ETFs, and be mindful of tax implications. 5. Prepare for uncertainty. Economic cycles and market downturns are inevitable. Build resilience into your portfolio by maintaining a balanced asset allocation, keeping some cash reserves, and being ready to adapt as conditions change. 6. Continue learning. The world of investing is always evolving. Stay curious, read widely, and seek out diverse perspectives to refine your strategy. Whether you're building your first portfolio or refining an established investment approach, these books provide the foundation you need to make smarter, more confident decisions. By combining the efficient market insights of Malkiel, the historical and behavioral wisdom of Bernstein, the practical frameworks from The Intelligent Asset Allocator, the academic rigor of Elton and Gruber, and Dalio's strategies for navigating crises, you'll be equipped to tackle any market environment. Remember, successful investing isn't about finding the next hot stock or making quick gains. It's about developing a thoughtful, disciplined plan and sticking with it through thick and thin. So pick up one or more of these must-read books, dive in, and take the next step on your journey to financial security and growth. Your future self will thank you.